What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So it's Friday, last trading day of the week, going into the long weekend. So again, no trading day on Monday. Hopefully you guys are able to have a little bit of fun over this Labor Day weekend here. But I do want to go over some really powerful trading tools and strategies for you guys, because again, at the end of the day, we are all in the market to make money, and these tools are the most powerful on the market. A lot of people have been having a lot of success with them, and I want to make sure that you guys fully know how to properly use these types of tools to steal from the market makers that are providing liquidity to the options chains every single day. So without further ado, let's get right into it here. And again, guys, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like button down below, cost you nothing to do it. And make sure you guys comment down below too what your favorite trade of the day was today. It might be the one that we're going to talk about here, but make sure you guys let me know. Favorite trade of the week, favorite trade of the day. Let me know down in the comments below. But pulling up the chart right here, we're going to be taking a look at the SPY, the S&P 500 ETF. Now, you can see here that in the morning, we saw a decent amount of chop. The market was looking relatively bullish here. And the main reason for that is if you were watching any of my other videos this week, we were talking about how the unemployment numbers, average hourly earnings, jobs report, non-farm payrolls, how important those were in guiding the Fed forward with what they were going to do with rates. Now, looking at this chart here, we ended up selling off a little bit, running up and coming right up to these key levels of resistance that we already had mapped out on our charts that I was explaining to you guys in the private live stream this morning. Now, coming into the afternoon here, things start to get a little bit spicy. Now, again, it's very possible that you could have YOLO'd your way to hitting a great trade on this nasty SPY move on the way down, but that's a great way to blow up your accounts. It is not a consistent way to make money. We are all about consistency and making money consistently in this market. So looking at this chart here, there is something very interesting that happened, and I'm going to show you guys the indicator that we're going to use here and exactly how to use it. And you guys have heard this before. It's going to be off of Invictus, the new predictive proprietary algorithm that we have released on the 5-minute time frame. So as you guys can see here, this is the alert that everybody received on Invictus. So SPY, 12:22 p.m., 5-minute cross down in 5 bars. The current price, $399.52. Where is that on this chart right here? Well, when you come over here and you look and find where 1222 would be, it's on this candle. 399.52 is right up here. So if you entered this trade here, even if you got a decent amount of time on this position, on these SPY puts, you are up multi hundreds of percent, because if you look at the amount that you are selling off in the overall market right now, 1.5%. That is absolutely filthy that this algorithm is calling this giant move out. Now, looking at this right here, I do want to go over a little bit of strategy, because you're not always going to see these nasty price movements to the downside, even though our algorithms will catch every single move that happens like this in the market. That's what they're built for, and that's why they are so powerful. But there's a couple of key levels here that I was playing to when I was taking this trade. You see this key level of support right here at 397, basically 397 flat, but you also have this 200 exponential moving average here on this 5-minute time frame. So as price starts to come down, you are aware in your mind of, okay, if I am not going to fully take profit at this level, I'm at least going to trim part of my position in order to take either all of my initial investment back off the table, part of it, or even more, and make the position free so you can hold for the remainder of this move here that we are seeing throughout the rest of the day. Now, looking at Invictus here, in this call out, again, it is going to be a little bit volatile. Now, you can see that it wicks around. It does move pretty volatile here, but there's some things that I want you guys to keep in mind. A lot of people, since it's a Friday, are going to be trading 0 data expiration contracts. Now, if you were to have done that, these contracts are going to be up multi-thousands of percent. Now, I know that might sound great, but at the end of the day, if you get a nasty wick in the other direction, you're most likely going to get stopped out of your position if you are following the rules that we outline for you guys every single day. So what I did is I got some more time on these contracts. They moved a little bit less volatile, but I was able to fully capture most of this move here. And that's what we want for a lot of you guys, to not only be able to not get stopped out of your position, but fully capture the move. You guys hear me talk about this all the time. More time on your contracts is going to help you out a lot. There is no reason to be trading 0 data expiration contracts, especially with full size. It's a great way to start blowing up your accounts. But looking at this trade here, this is absolutely filthy. Invictus signals here. You enter potentially on this candle. You get a 1.5% move down in the overall market here, and you have some awesome gains to go into the holiday weekend with. And again, guys, if you do want to join here and actually get access to Invictus, it is part of our private group, our program that we run every single day. We have an awesome community in there of people helping each other out, printing together, and really taking control of our portfolios together. So if you guys are interested in joining a community like that, it also is the best time of the month to join. Make sure you check out that link down below. But other than that, guys, I hope you have an awesome weekend. We're able to hit some great trades. Other than that, peace.